I Educate Myself Daily is a daily lecture notes sharing platform where lectures viewers can easily get the corresponding details notes of the video lectures shared, as well as they can share their own notes. So I please we may have Shugato Kundu here.
Thank you for the introduction, Jana. First, I want to tell you that I am also a fourth year student of EC undergraduate in Institute of Engineering and Management. I am also a student in fourth year now. Uh, Beside that, I am an entrepreneur to solve some real problems the student face. That there are many problems in the time of the last night before exam. There are many problems that students face, that there is a video lecture and there is not proper note down. So they get a problem that okay, what I am learning from the lecture, I have to note down it also. So there is a time bound there. So many other problems are there. So I have made this platform when I was in first year. So in the second sem, I have started my journey. So that is that I am daily. It's video lecture notes is all about that video and the lecture notes. So videos are all from the YouTube video lecture that we usually watch before exam. And I want to make a platform, a community of learners where everyone get that lecture notes of that video. So that is the I educate myself daily. And my main motive was that in that current era, we have to learn new things regularly because it is a lifelong learning journey. You have to learn new skill regularly to upskill yourself. And if you want to change your job, you have to learn a new thing. So that main platform is I educate myself daily. That is, you are educating yourself, and that's the whole thing. And by that we are generating revenue from different advertising sources and affiliate marketing, and that's all thing. So this is the short introduction about I am daily video lecture notes. I am changing the slide, and the slide is all about that what Jenna have already told that there is a lecture note sharing platform where lecture viewers can easily get corresponding detailed notes of video lectures, as well as they can share their own notes to help others. So there is a term that they can share their own notes to help other learners. So from that we are some sharing some of percentage of revenue to that lecture notes writer. By that he can earn as well as learn. It is helpful for students to generating some pocket money and other things also there. So now the platform has no that much of traffic, so the revenue generation is not that much. But because after a few months, when the lockdown will be over and people will get to the mainstream of learning, that they have to give their exam as well. So they just want some lecture notes of that video. So that's the all about that platform. So some of the features of IM Daily, that is the handwritten notes, and I will tell about that how iPad notes are also there, and they are colorful and attractive. That's a small slide. I don't want to make this a slide oriented talk. I just want to tell you the what is my story behind the this journey. Mm. So just I want to tell you that I was also in first year in 2017 of August. So I have joined the college, and uh, in the first year, my story was I was just a assembly coordinator of that my section. Then I have just made some note down on my iPad that in the first sem there is no time as well. The in the first sem just we got 3.5 months to give the exam and all the things. In the second sem I started to learn how to make websites, and all the thing was began from the one e-cell meeting, just like that Perry Vallon in this time. So there was a entrepreneurship cell organized seminar So I joined that seminar. I was very much lucky that I was able to part of that seminar. So I learned a lot of things from that. There is a boosting up thing I got from that seminar. So that the January 10, that was in January 10, and I first built my website from learning from Google and those things. And the thing was that I want to solve a problem that many volunteers are working for innovation, innovation and that much of events. So I want to make a platform where they can also get the notes of the classes, that class notes I were giving from that website. So after that I shifted to video lecture notes. Mean there is a video already available in YouTube, you want to make some notes. I will also give you in a later slides that in February 2018, just I joined a business plan meeting in UEM Kolkata. From that I also get some insights that there is two things as that a service based company or a product based company. In service based company you are giving some services and you are getting some money, and in product you are selling the product to the consumer itself. So hello. In the my product was just a digital product, that is a content product. I want to make some digital content. By that I can earn some revenue, and that's not the main thing. My main motive was I will learn as well as I will earn money. That's the main motive of my venture, and by that I help many people, also many students who don't just got the lecture from lecture notes from the Xerox center, and there are many problems for that. So that was my story. So from that I just start a new thing by learning a thing, that start what you have with you now. So I just start a Xerox business in my college. By that Xerox business, I just earning some revenue, and that was my first earning from that printer I got in my 12th class. I just do Xerox business in my college, and from that I learned how to write notes. First of all, my business idea was just I will learn lecture notes and I will Xerox it and sell it, and that's a very small idea. But after that I learned that digital content can be created, digital notes can be created. There are many platforms like Google AdSense, Google AdMob, many affiliate network are also there from and from thing. And I want to make a community where everyone learn, and that's the main thing. So I want to directly go to the website. Yeah, one thing I am to tell that if you 1 minute. One thing I have to tell that if you do not get my whole screen, just do it in a landscape mode. That will be fine for you. In horizontal mode, that will be fine. But in portrait mode, I think my whole screen will not be shared.
Yes, is in landscape mode it is quite visible. So
Mhm. Make it in the landscape mode. So that is my website, that is the www.iamdaily.com, that is I educate myself daily. And I want to share you that there is a, if you click on that digital electronics English part 1, that is also a lecture from the Neso Academy, which is quite popular in digital electronics and other electronics. So there are many lectures are there, and as well as in the, if you go to the next page, then you can get that my whole platform is very simple. That lecture is there, you can play the lecture, and as well as there are corresponding notes are there. And these notes are also written by some of our fellow students who joined the IM Daily as a notes writer. You can also join as a notes writer and earn some revenue from us. So there is a called uh, come join with us section. You can just join by filling the contact form, and that's all. There is also lecture notes on demand. If you want some lecture notes of a particular lecture series that is not present in the IIM Delhi, so you can also make that. So there is a submission portal. In submission portal, you can submit your lecture notes, whatever you've written. There are some rules and you can follow along that. And that's the main platform, what I am telling about, that I have made all the things from my own, just learning by Googling and YouTubing from my library itself, from our college library itself. So this is my journey of this making. And there is some open projects. Open projects means that project are available for making lecture notes. You can also write lecture notes of your own video lectures, that is also available. And what we are making now, we are making some discount.imdaily.com, one subdomain we have opened. In that we can tell that there is a course, you can say that the complete business and marketing course, that is the Udemy course, and that course is paid. But if you just join by our link, then you will get it for free, absolutely free, 100% discount, and you will get lifetime access to that course. You can get by the get coupon, and you can see that is up 100% free. And the course coupon are only validated for 3 days maximum. You can enroll it for, you can use it for your mar, that is the Macout mandatory additional requirement. So that is the our discount.imdaily thing. And there are also, we have to open that the coding.imdaily and labprojects.imdaily. In electronics and other electrical branches, their lab projects is very important. In lab, we got 3 to 4 projects per lab. In that, we have to shoulder it in properly. So lab projects we will open. That will be also a video lecture notes. That video, what is available in YouTube, we are making that notes of that. Where we are giving some links where can you, where from you can buy the things. And in coding.imdaily, the main thing was there is a coding coding video already there. You can follow along the coding video, or you can just see the coding video. After that, you can buy the. After that, you can follow along our blog, and from that you can learn many things. So our main thing is that the video and its lecture notes, corresponding lecture notes, that is the main platform. And that is the main thing. And you can see there are error in the lecture notes, but we can resolve it by make it a two-step process. That first of all, the lecture note, the writer will write that, and after that the editor will edit that. So after editor will edit that in iPad, there can make that notes in this like format. All will be in dark mode, and lecture notes will be that much clean and crisp. Okay, that's the thing. And I want to share some of my journey. How can I become this much? Make my website own website, make my app own. So I want to share some story, and there is just 10 minutes left. So so I was also a student from a Bengali medium student. I joined the Institute of Engineering Management in 2017, and from that I joined as the assembly coordinator. After that I become a CR, class representative. After that I become placement coordinator, and after that I joined the IEDC Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Cell run by Abhijit sir. And I joined as application developer in a junior application developer researcher, and made my journey in the college life. I have made my entrepreneurial journey. So I also told that I have made some Xerox business in college, and from that Xerox business, I do some profit and build, get my own iPad and Apple Pencil on which I am writing now. So There are in college there is a facility of library usage. I also uh, 1 minute. Yeah. I also use the library for learning, and after that, I stayed in IDC itself for learning many things, like from seniors as well as various courses. I do courses, and my platform is all about I educate myself. I have told you that I will educate myself as well as I will earn from it. That's the main platform around me. And my journey started from 2017. Now in a seventh semester, and the 1 minute. Hmm. I am now in seventh semester, and I have made this much thing by my own. All the things are by my own, and uh, now I have the two people team. One is developing the website, and I am developing the app, and different various lecture notes writer also there. So that's the all thing from my side. You can ask some question to me as a senior. I will just guide you from how you can also uh, be an entrepreneur by yourself.
So there's a
Well,
question in the chat box.
Yeah.
From Preetham Dey, his question is how you manage time effectively in your startup in spite of having colleges and other important stuff.
Good question. What I have told that I use the library facility, and that is the 24 hours a day. I my room home is just 20 km away from the college, but also I uh, rent a flat in Mahishbatan that is very near to college. I use the library effectively. That is, I use the library in night also for learning new things. I do colleges in 9 to 5. After that, I use the library, and in the morning I go to room, fresh myself, and do a bath, and again go to college. That's the I have managed my time.
So it's quite visible from your hard work that you have given all your time in college and preparing this stuff and making a man, like making you a well made. Like definitely you have given your time.
Thanks, Zainab.
So is there any more questions?
you are very you just ask questions, shoot him with the questions. He's just our senior.
We don't lose
We
this
are,
opportunity when you get an entrepreneur in front of you and you have the access to
and
like
not only entrepreneur, also he's from same college, same seniors.
Yeah,
So
you
don't
can ask
miss
me
the
anything, no
chance.
problem.
Maybe it may be very stupid. It's a very casual session, as this is not as
stupid
we had in the
questions
first half.
definitely big work. Even when
Make
back
it
to your
interactive. You just go interactive
Well, I
because it
have
is
a
not
question.
as formal.
Yeah,
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, I have a question.
yeah, tell.
Is my voice audible?
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes, your voice is audible.
Yeah, I have a question that is in this platform, the thing you told that the Udemy lectures, are those lectures, all the lectures free for all the domains, topics of all the domains?
Yeah, the various domains are there. Just marketing domain, development domain, and many others domains are there. So once you enroll in the course will be lifetime fully accessible to you. Just you have to enroll in the coupon period, and the coupon is valid for only 3 days maximum. So if you enroll in the course in 3 days period, then you will get a lifetime access to that course. You will get the certificate, and all the things are there.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Hey Shayok,
Any other
Priya,
question?
how are you?
Any more questions? Hi. Any more questions from
So
anyone?
I know that you have prepared a very good website. I just checked all of your things, post and everything. You actually did this much of research and you made all these notes, and you of course allowed others also to put their knowledge into your work. So this was quite interesting and hardworking. I just want to ask you, like, though you already told that you have spent most of your times in library, but how do you get so much of energy to do that? Like, don't you get bored with this all
No,
these?
that's the entrepreneurship passion. You have to work minimum 14 hours per day. That's the entrepreneurship passion. You have to work hard for. Just I follow Elon Musk, so he had told that you have to work 100 hours per week. So I also follow that. So by that I get some uh, energy from that, reading books, from getting motivational videos from YouTube, and that's the whole thing.
So you got a lot of time in this COVID, in this pandemic, to do all the
Yeah,
research thing because we had work from home thing. So
yeah. I made my own room studio. I have also shared in my WhatsApp status that Shayak has seen that. So all the things I made from my own time, and
yeah, you
that's the
gave
whole
your
thing. That's the
100% to
entrepreneurship
something.
passion.
Yeah, because if you have something passion, nobody is there to drive you. You just drive yourself at that point.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Is there any
Yeah.
more question for him? So
You can take few more minutes,
I have
sir.
already link www.iemdaily link in the chat
There is
box.
some SSL certificate also there. HTTPS will be there.
Acha. So if you all want to take a look, just go there in the website, search, and then you can get his number through Shaik. Also contact him if you want to, and then feel free to get more
You do
knowledge
not
from
have to
him.
go to the main website. Just uh, search the keyword in IMDaily. You will get the website and app also there. And
And one more thing to all the participants, as we started with Sagoto sir, after that, whoever you will be getting till tomorrow, till Gurudev arrives tomorrow, till tomorrow, all the entrepreneurs are from your batch, either maybe your senior or pass out, but we all are in the same boat, but they are struggling with very good reason in their field. So make yourself ready to take something from them, and we are already there to help you in any ways. This platform Perivilon is meant for that only, for any kind of help regarding entrepreneurship, even from your seniors, from the
Like we have
speakers.
another question for Shugato.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Where do we get the coupon for Udemy free courses?
yeah, I have shared the link of that website, and that website is also from the IMDaily. You can get from IMDaily itself in about section.
Yeah, you shared it. So thank you so much for all the knowledge and your presentation and everything. We are looking forward to contact you for more collaborations and for more work. Thank you.
Welcome. So I am now leaving out. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Thank
Okay.
you.
Right. Welcome.